my name is JJ Asgar, and hopefully this will be less than 15 minutes. And this will be 15 minutes to getting the equivalent of pretty much StreamYard working for free and on OBS and using something called OBS Ninja, or at least it was called OBS Ninja. So let's see if I can actually get it done. Right now, I'm actually recording on OBS, so hopefully this won't be so meta, but you'll get the gist of it. So let's get started. First thing first, I am going to come over here and show you OBS Project. If you've never seen this before, this is OBS Project. This is the software that you will be using to actually do the streaming. You'll run this on your actual laptop, which is pretty neat. And then we're going to leverage something called OBS Ninja. OBS Ninja, it's actually changed its name. I believe it's called vdo.ninja now. And this is how you would connect people to your local OBS instance, which is pretty dang cool. All you got to do is create a room, and then we'll call it AOEU because I'm lazy. And then I will go ahead and enter here, and then I will bring myself into it by going ahead and turning on, enabling the directors, allow for this, and then allow, and then I should bring it back up inside of here. There we go. As you see here, I'm down in the corner. If we brought people into the room, they would actually be able to hear me now, which is pretty neat. And then after you do this, you actually can bring in OBS. So let's going to do this from the ground up here. I believe you can't see me anymore, which is a little frustrating, but that's fine. Here is OBS. As you can see, I'm actually recording what I'm actually doing, which I realize is very meta. So I will create a new scene here, and we're going to call this OBS Ninja, just because it's something here. And then what you do is you create a new browser window here. So what I'll do is I'll do testing OBS, and then we'll create that new one. And as you notice here, there's this URL, right? So what we do is we come back over here, and then when a guest has joined, so we'll join as a guest now. I come in, I join as a room camera, allow, and then we'll see, here we go. Here is me coming in from my other side. And then you'll notice if we come back over to the control room, you'll see that we can see myself here. So I would actually be able to talk to myself, which is kind of cool. But we'll grab this solo view link right here. Bring this back up, edit it, where'd it go? Here we go. And I throw that in here, and you'll see, there we go. So now I can create the different people in here very easily. I can even add myself if I wanted to. So if I can go here and then go to capture audio card, oh, that's not it. Capture this one, yeah. No. Video capture card, my mistake. And pull this in here. And there we go. You can see myself here. So you can add whoever you want. You can add as many people you want. You can take as many people you want. It's pretty straightforward. And I got a weird echo, so I'm going to turn this off. But you get the point, right? Like, so by using OBS Ninja here, having them come in through here, they see this. By the way, they're not seeing me. So if I go ahead and I believe if I turn the video source to FaceTime camera, allow, there we go. That one turns it off. You'll see that this one turned on because this is me talking to them. So this would be me being the director so they can hear me. And then this side would be their video of themselves. But you would need to create, they wouldn't be able to see this one. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm going to go ahead and put some links at the inside this YouTube video. Hopefully you'll be able to see the different links to be able to get to it. And hopefully this makes some sense. If you have some questions, don't hesitate to reach out through the different mediums, and that did not work. So if I go back to this one and make this the correct size again, what is going on? Hopefully you'll be able to hear me here. We'll see this in just a second. I'm going to have to edit some of this stuff out. Well, hopefully this was good. We'll see if it works. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Otherwise, this was only 5 minutes. So maybe that's 5 minutes to fun instead of 15. Take it easy, y'all. Bye.